I'm Kim. First I'm going to show you some Valentine's Day outfits. Now I'm going to make some Valentine's Day cupcakes. I'm going to use this heart cutout. I already made some icing in case any unexpected visitors come.
Hello.
What the? Sam?
I'm going to help.
Oh, no.
I guess you can stay. Okay.
Now I'm gonna ice the cookies.
Can I put on the sprinkles?
Well, fine, but don't mess it up.
Ooh.
Pretty good. Now out before you eat them all. Now I'm going to decorate. Looks like I already have some little heart stands in here. I also have some heart decorations around the kitchen. I'm going to show you the food that I made. I made some eclairs, cake, strawberry pie, and donuts. Some lollipops too. I also have my red tea kettle and Valentine's Day tea set over here. And here's the kitchen. Now let's move on to the living room. Looks pretty plain without any decorations. I'll put some art on the wall first. Over here too. There we go. Now some hearts over here. Good. And now I'm going to do the shelf. Put some hearts here, there, and then some cards all over the place. Another one up here. A pillow in the window seat. And that looks pretty good. I'm going to add some hearts hanging from the ceiling. Be right back.
So you want me to hang hearts from the ceiling?
Yes, you're the only one who can reach.
Okay.
There we go. Now some banner back here. And that looks pretty good. Now I'll just decorate the table. I have a jar here. I'll put some glittery flowers in it for Valentine's Day. And then a card. And maybe I'll move it like this. Some chocolates from Sam. My pink mug. And phone case. And a lollipop. That looks pretty good. I think we're done decorating.
Hey, here's a bear to go with your decorations.
Ooh. Cozy. I think I'll put him right here on the sofa. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tell us what you thought, what kind of videos you want to see. See you next time.
I have another thing for decorations.
What?
Here.
It's a shoebox.
But it's red.
But it's a shoebox.
If I can't add to the decorations, then I'll take away from them.
Hey, what is it with you guys and stealing my food?
Someone say food?